beauty in particular is the Bella Virgin Remy Human Hair Silk Topper.
The cap. This is a silk top, and it gives you that gorgeous, natural looking scalp.
Actually has a little cowlick right here. Look at that. I have a cowlick. Well, I did, and now it's just looks like a really thin area. Since you have this great size base, you can part this hair all over, and you have room for multi-directional parting and a variety of styling options.
It allows for each individual hair to be knotted in such a way that it's actually hidden and doesn't show through as much. In addition to that, you can see that the silk base is a color that mimics the color of scalp. So overall, the parting and everything about it looks a lot more natural.
This is 130 density. That's the right density for me. I have purchased some other pieces at a higher density, and they're nice, but they don't feel right for me on my head with the amount of hair that I have. My hair loss is pretty centralized. It's mostly located at the top. I have more hair on the sides, so when I wear a higher density piece, it doesn't feel natural.
I'm impressed. Super gorgeous. Super duper gorgeous. Oh, look at that. Look at the difference. Amazing, 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 and it feels great. I'm really impressed. Bottom line, I'm impressed. It is definitely up my alley. It's definitely giving me the volume and the length and the coverage that I desire. And heck, that looks so real. Looks so good.
It gives you the natural scalp that you only get with silk, but it's not heavy like a lot of silk top pieces can be. It gives you tons of room for flexibility with your part, and the hair is just beautiful. I think I'm in love with this one. At UniWigs, they recently added some pieces with larger cap sizes. This is one of them. It is 7 by 6, almost all silk, Virgin Remy human hair, and I love it. Highly recommend this one, guys.